website to fulfill audience's expectation on something is not described and covering general things that ask often. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Semangat pagi. Thank you for the opportunity for us to present our paper titled User Experience Analysis Using System Usability Scale Method on Diskominfo website. With me, Riyan Leandros for ICCED Conference 2023. Yeah, welcome. Welcome to the conference. Okay, this is the agenda. First is background and methodology, and then after that, discussion and result. Next, we have the conclusion, and finally, we have the references. First, we go to the background and methodology. So the background is the website itself. Yeah, for the e-government, it is mandatory to implement this concept of development of the website. Yeah, so this is for the use of people around that area. Yeah, and for this Mojokerto website, yeah, the visitor who visited the website is lower than expected. Yeah, and so this is unappealing, yeah, and inappropriate appearance. So we did the assessment, yeah. It is required to assess the level of usability of the website, yeah. And also there was no evaluation for quite a long time, so yeah. So there was no updated for the website itself, and not compatible with the latest browser. So we did the research by using the SOS. So this is the methodology, as you already noticed, yeah, about the SOS, yeah. So we did the data collection, of course, we did the survey, we collected the data, and we processed that data into the SUS methodology, which is System Usability Scale, yeah. It has 10 questions, 10 standard questions from the SUS itself, yeah. And we did the Likert scale from 1 to 5 for the range, yeah. And each statement had a contribution score. So how it works, yeah, for the SUS methodology, this is the questions of the 10 questions, the standard one, yeah. I believe I will use this website again. This website seems complicated to use. I found this website easy to use. I need assistance from others. The features on this website seems appropriate. I feel there are many inappropriate display. I think others will easily understand. I'm confused when using this website. I'm comfortable using the website, and it took me some time to get familiar with this website. If you notice, yeah, number 1 is positive, number 2 quite negative, and then 3 is back to positive, 4 is back to negative, and like that, yeah, over and over again until the last number. So why is it like that? Because it has the formula, yeah. The formula is like this, yeah. For the calculation, each point's contribute score will range from 0 to 5. Then for 0.13579, which is odd numbers, yeah, there will be scale -1. And for the even number, yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the score is 5 minus the scale result, yeah. After all of them calculated, then the result will be multiplied by 2 and 2.5, okay, for the overall score, right? And this is the discussion and result. So we got the age respondents, yeah. It is between 20 to 30, the average of 27, and the oldest respondent was 53 years old. And then domicile is mostly in Mojokerto, because this is the Mojokerto website, yeah. And the gender is almost equals, yeah, between male and female. So the calculation result from the Slovin's formula, because the population is a lot, yeah, around 500. So we use the Slovin's formula with the error rate is 10%. So we've got 84 respondents. Then from these 84 respondents, yeah, for validity test, we've got the level of 0.05, yeah, of 0.2, so which is valid. Then reliability test, this is Cronbus alpha is the standard is more than 0.6, and we've got the value of 0.7, so it means this is reliable. And the final one is the SU score from the I mentioned in the previous slide, yeah, we've got the number of 61. And this 61 result, as you can see, it is in number 4, which is okay, acceptable, but it's quite almost marginal, yeah. And the percentage of questions responses to distributed questionnaire, yeah, you can see the circles, green circles there, yeah. In question number 1, the highest percentage of responses was agreed and no one strongly disagrees. So this one indicates the users frequently use Diskominfo Mojokerto website to obtain information related to Mojokerto Regency. And the question number 3 is 40% of the respondent answered disagree. So it means the website is not easy to navigate, yeah. So this issue needs to be addressed and the website should be regularly updated so that users feel comfortable and find it easy to obtain information through the website. So the improvement and recommendation here, we've got, it is recommended to use display size on the website that is adjusted to the screen size of the device commonly used by the users. Then, considering adding a pop-up screen to the initial display of the website to display important news or announcement for users. Then, the menu section and overall website appearance should be improved to the eye-catching. Then, ensure the buttons and menus are uniform and easy to use with minimalist, brighter, and pastel colors and simple font sizes like Times New Roman or Arial to make the website more accessible to elderly users who above 50 years old. Then, there should be a regular review the features and appearance of the website, displaying only the most important menu items on the main page and using the search to button for other features and menu. And the last one, considering adding a frequently asked question or FAQ, yeah, features to the website to provide user and administrator with frequently asked question and alternatives regarding the services and feature offered on the website to fulfill audience's expectation on something is not described and covering general things that ask often. Yes, and we've got to the conclusion. So the research of Mojokerto Regency Diskominfo website reveals inadequate user satisfaction with a score of 61 in the marginal acceptable range. This suggests that the website is not well received due to its below average score. To address this, improvements and appearance are recommended, such as uniform and simple design with user-friendly colors and fonts, as well as the addition of a pop-up screen for important news updates. These changes aim to enhance user experience and ensure easy access to necessary information on the website. That's it for now. We've come to the references. We have 17 references for your reference for you to read, yeah. And then finally, we've come to the last slide. Thank you very much for this opportunity. Hope you can take lesson learned from this paper. And we will see you again in the next year ICCED conference. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Have a nice day.